My computer's just wheezing, and I'm like, big mood. Oh my god, my computer. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's like ree.
It's like that one meme.
Oh my god. Can you guys hear my computer or no?
I can hear like a
Is it really loud?
No, it's like only when you talk we can hear it, like very faintly in the background.
Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, my computer's just wheezing. Everyone's Don't wheeze at me, god damn. The chat.
The computer has no control over how it wants to breathe. It's its own thing.
Is the wheezing loud, friends? Is the wheezing loud? Wheezing.
Just random wheeze. It's like wheeze.
My computer's so loud. Why are you? I just bought you.
Intense wheezing.
Yeah. All right.
Intensifies.
Oh yeah. Hold on, let me.
Yes,
I saw that, Hoctor. It got spammed, but I can see it. He wrote penis.
Penis! Penis! Penis!
my
Penis!
God.
Penis!
Oh man.
Hunter, I have done your job for you this time. When you get here next time, you can do this.
No man.
Kyzer is the substitute Hoctor for the evening.
I am the penis man.
No. I heard the instant regret that came out of Kyzer's mouth as he said them.
Well, usually Hoctor is the penis man, because every time we try to record something, he immediately shouts, PENIS!
By golly gee whiz, it's a penis!
That should be a superhero. Penis man.
Penis man.
No.
Maybe the supervillain equivalent would be Dr. Dick.
Oh my god. Hi Noah.
Chap who had a last name of Dick, and then all of a sudden he became a doctor.
Dr. Dick. My computer's like, wee!
Wait, can I change my name real quick before you have
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Paula, I swear to God, if you're gonna do what I think you're gonna do.
Oh no.
That is the laugh of sinister intent! Alright. B-Z-M-U in.
Woo! Play! Come on!
Alright, I'm in!
Play!
Oh.
Fuck you! Why that name? Why that name?
Oh yeah! Yes!
Guys.
Oh, son of a gun.
I was like, what are you yelling at? And I looked down slightly to the right.
Like you hear this scream of absolute insanity. Look down. Oh.
I love the fact my eyeball is staring directly at Kyzer.
He's like, yeah, you like that. Y'all, is my computer that bad? Just let me know in the comment, please.
Somehow, I still stand atop.
Uh.
How? 60, 90, oh my god.
Oh god. 69 oh whoa. From Meep Creep.
You know what it is, darling.
Alright, ready? 3, 2,
Motorcycle,
1.
go away!
We still don't
Seriously?
hear that motorcycle.
I'm sorry,
Look,
just
you might not hear it, but it's in the background of this house! There's a motorcycle passing by, goddammit!
the way you said it. Motorcycle, do away! You sound like Stewie Griffin.
Oh god!
Oh yes, because of course I can do a fantastic Stewie Griffin.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
That's not the only Griffin I can do.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh no.
In the kitchen, Mag.
Ah, in the kitchen, Meg.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
1,
Huh!
go!
Kyzer, my love, George Hoctor in the comments.
Hoctor, my darling! If my fiance is watching this, honey, I love you. This is all for jokes.
You can see your info, yeah.
Oh goodness.
I ship
Here
it, oh
comes the
no.
ship.
Oh no.
Okay,
Oh.
this is just glorious.
No, stop.
No, I got rejected. Why? I thought we had something special.
I am not love.
Oh.
The audience is going after my blueberry.
Wait. Some late arriving suitors approach. Let's see what happens.
I love how we're both going after the same man. The audience has been rejected. It's my turn.
Yeah.
Got her. That player was rejected last night. Bonus heart
So he's like, yeah!
Now, crap, I might have to close it and open it back up.
Oh dear.
Damn!
I didn't do a damn thing. It's not my fault.
It was just Monica. Monica.
Slender, save me.
Only
Don't worry. That's why we have the bunker.
just Monica after all.
Put me in the damn bunker, please.
No, it wasn't Slenderman. It was Pepsi Man.
Nope, nope, out of here. Sorry for breaking the mic.
Off of the feelsy topic, someone asked, Slendy, I have a question that will stop me from crying depressed. How on earth did you even go to a store to get a suit that is twice the size of a man? Well, you see, there are plenty of custom tailor shops in the underworld that carry that sort of thing. So essentially what I did, I went there for some custom measurements and I went with a simple design.
This is what he did. He found
Paula,
a wacky,
don't you even think about it.
he found a wacky waving inflatable tube man, and he just cut the sleeves, the hands off, and wears it as a suit.
Oh.
You know, you're not funny.
So you're
No,
wearing
no,
a condom,
you're
basically?
Oh, for the love of...
He went from grandpa man to sperm man.
Oh, jeez. Also, what the heck is a Fortnite?
Oh,
Oh, it's that game.
Yeah.
it's kind of like PUBG.
Yeah.
What the heck's a PUBG?
Kyzer, get with it.
Grandpa.
Are you
Okay.
telling me you don't know what that is? What are
Okay,
you telling-
listen. I'm a little
Listening.
behind the times, okay?
Kyzer.
I'm a little behind.
God
Hi,
damn-
sweetie.
Grandpa man.
You need...
Everyone's quoting Kai. What the heck is a Fortnite? What the heck is a PUBG?
yeah,
Yearbook quotes.
yeah, I am the old man of the group. I'm
Every-
the old man of this group. Okay, I'm not old, but by the group standards, I am old.
He's the grandpa. Or the old wacky uncle.
Yeah, I prefer old wacky uncle.
Grandpa man. Hashtag Grandpa man. Wait, I'm making it a hashtag. Hashtag Grandpa man.
Grumple
No,
Kai.
seriously.
Yes, Grumple Kai. That's your nickname.
Grunkle Kai, I am okay with this. Alright, let's dive right back into the game, shall we?
yeah. Alright, so. Hold on.
Maybe I'll do better this time because flirting and dates aren't my thing.
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
how
not
about we
my thing either.
how about we do one of Survive the Internet, because this one was the one that always makes us all laugh. This one is just filled with memes. And for sure
Oh
next
my
time we'll do
God.
Monster Seeking Monster.
I love memes. Yeah.
Also, someone mentioned me in a post on Tumblr saying, what the heck is a Fortnite?
Yes!
Hannah McGee, I swear to God.
God damn. You can't escape it.
Nope. I have officially become the old man. I have officially become the old man for saying that.
You became our Grunkle Kai.
Well, I mean, there are things worse than death. I can accept this.
I stand.
Alright.
Kai,
Uh,
did you ever tell Neon about the Kyzer call?
like, the Kyzer call.
The Kyzer call.
You mean...
Yeah.
I just did the noise at random one time, and I did it with my fiance, and she laughed her ass off, so I started doing it randomly just to make her laugh. One of these instances, Paula heard it, and she was like, "What the fuck was that?"
We were on
And I
call
told
with
her-
the doctor too.
Yeah, I told them that was the call of the Kyzer, so basically just...
The Kyzer
The mating.
call.
The mating intro.
Oh my god.
No,
Fuck it,
that would be more of a whoopity whoop.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Ripped on breathing child.
Alright, ready? Is everybody ready?
Let's do this.
I'm ready!
Oh, ow. Fuck. As I hurt myself. Oh.
Neon's not ready.
No, I'm not.
You like Krabby Patties, don't you, Squidward?
Alright.
Feel it now, Mr. Krabs?
Money. Alright.
Does anyone remember the episode when Mr. Krabs felt really old? and he was hanging out with SpongeBob and Patrick, and for like 3 minutes straight, it's like, "Are you feeling it now, Mr. Cray?"
I think I remember that. Oh my god.
I love the part
I
when they did the Dungeons and Dragons all of a sudden, he's like, "Art thou feeling it now, Mr. Crayons?"
Oh my god.
Oh, SpongeBob.
Panty raid.
The panty raid. Who you calling Pinhead?
Who you call Pinhead? I want to be Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
Which one of you Dirty Dan?
Oh.
Me. Whoa!
It was so accurate.
Amen. And to anyone who ever sends me fan art, just thank you from the bottom of my heart. It is like the coolest thing to open up Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, whatever, and see someone tag me in the fan art. I don't even care like what fan art it is. It is just the sweetest thing to see it because it's so cute. And the fact you took time out of your day to do it is just like And yes, I squeak and I fanboy and I lose my mind. I am a man in tune with my emotions and I don't give a damn.
Just like, I'm a manly man.
Yeah, that is me in a nutshell. Cause okay, my friend Natty, whom we all know, at this
Natty.
point, she says she quotes me as being the gayest straight man.
She told me that.
Why? Because I have the sass of a gay man, but well, I won't say the other part. But ask my fiance; she'll tell you.
Okay, funny story. When I first met Kai and I got his audio and stuff, he used to send like little messages throughout the thing and everything. For about a month, I thought he was gay. And I was editing one day, and my mom came in, and she asked, "Who's that?" I'm like, "That's Kyzer." She says, "Is he gay?"
Oh no. Actually, Kyzer.
I have a funny story if you don't mind me sharing.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, this is actually very recent. But my fiance and I went to Forever 21, and I was really tired at that point, and I was just kind of slumping through the store with her. But she chose out some outfits, and she went to the changing room. And I was sitting down there. My phone had died, so I figured I would, judge her outfits as she came out. There was a group of people there waiting for other people to come out, and whenever Lily came out, I was just like, "Oh, girl, you are looking fabulous in that!" Just the sassiest comments possible. So the crowd pretty much thought I was gay as heck. Then my fiance comes out, and I give her a kiss right on the lips, and I swear, when I pulled back, I saw a bunch of people looking at me with wide eyes, and then they shifted back to their phones. Best reaction alive, I swear.
Kai, can I tell you our gay story about clothes?
Our gay story.
Okay, so here it goes. When I was up in college, my second year, during the fall, I was having a really bad time because I had recently gotten into an argument with the club I joined, and I was very emotional. And my friend at the time, ironically, his name is Wade.
Shut up, Wade!
I was waiting for that. Anyway, so he decided to cheer me up by taking me to see Miss Perry Room. Now, I highly doubt he'll see this, so I'm just gonna say I kind of had a little crush on him.
Oh.
Aww. Imagine he actually sees this later.
Sends it to him.
Oh God, no. But I was just gonna wear what I was gonna wear. I was gonna go down, drop off my bag, and then he was gonna pick me up, and we were gonna go see Miss Peregrine in the theaters. I fell in a mud puddle on the way home. And so I had to change and everything, and I didn't know what to wear. So I sent Kai pictures of me in different outfits, asking like, what one of these look good? I need to know, because I didn't do laundry, so I was like digging through clothes I don't even wear. And throughout half the time after I finally decided what to pick, I texted him and I was like, "You really are my gay straight friend, aren't you?" And he sends me an audio message. "Girl, I've been gay since day one."
Oh.
Yes, I am the straight gay friend. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's that I like to have sass when the mood calls for it, and I like to be more in touch with my feminine side, but I like women. That's just it. I like women. I love my fiance. I just gravitate towards women, so I'm just like, whatever.
Unless you and Hawk are in the same chat, and then
Oh my God.
it just goes full.
Well, if Hawker's in the chat with his fiance or girlfriend, you know, that's like, we need more. I'm reading the fucking comments. They say we need more sassy Kai. Sassy Kogel Kai.
Oh,
Okay,
beautiful.
I think we've wasted enough time. Let's get to the final game in this journey.
Just a full hour of like sadness and then dicks and then laughing and then gay and then yeah, okay, let's game again. There's someone. Wait, who is it? Who's dying in the chat? So yeah, it's Tamra FNAE. They're just like, I'm literally hiccuping. I'm laughing so hard and wheezing. And then someone's like Neon's computer, and I'm like, God damn it, I can't escape it. All right, let's do this. Ready?
Guys, the motorcycle's back again.
Guys, it's the imaginary motorcycle.
I swear it's real.
It's like the Tooth Fairy. We don't know.
I legit will send you the recording that I sent Darkbox of the motorcycle in the background during that take. I will send it.
Secretly,
I'm being haunted by common writers. Jesus. Amen.
Oh god, if this is us, it was just us. What if we had a bunch of...
No, don't send me motorbike pictures, please.
Vroom, vroom.
Do not do this.
Motherfucker.
Oop. Oh no.
Just do it!
Oh god.
Oh my god, who put that?
I feel like I did this wrong.
Super helpful. Hashtag how to make Neon have a better computer.
God damn it! God damn it! I still love that one.
I'm gonna stay quiet. Okay, tell me you heard that one! Tell me you heard that one!
No, no one heard the motorcycle!
No, no one heard it.
Ah, come on! I'm not crazy!
We love you, Kai. We don't think you're crazy.
Okay, so Paula at least heard it!
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's a fake Paula. Let me try.
Why have you forsaken me?
Because you're my brother and I love you.
I can't escape the room.
It's your family.
Ree! I'm officially Neon's computer. Shut up!
Oh my god.
It's always something stupid I do in my streams and all of a sudden just top 10 things Neon says when they make their computer work. Oh! Ah!
Oh.
Balloon.
That's the winner right there! That wins!
Oh god, yes.
I love chocolate like I like my women. How to make chocolate?
Demonetized! Channel deleted!
Channel fucking destroyed. Oh my god.
Oh man.
Oh schnitz. Oh schnitzel.
Rada rada.
Rada rada. I love KG Busy. What the fuck? Demonetized.
Literally! Yeah!
Damn, Oompa Loompa abuse. Neon's computer is my favorite meme.
For fuck's sake! God damn it.
Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Reason I don't do impressions this stream.
No! This is the reason you should do impressions!
Ass for supper.
For the world! Dick pick 'em. You can see me. As long as this is WWE, we're all good. Oh my god, that's beautiful. What's going on with films? They've all been like,
I'm gonna leave my own stream. That's gonna start the computer. I think we all know.
I'm going with Neon's computer. I don't care.
God damn it!
I have to. It was just the best of the bunch.
I went with ass for supper.
I'm going with the gay Kyzer one. That was funny.
Oh god. I have a feeling people are gonna see the rainbow art and think, wait, Kyzer's gay? No, I'm not.
Kyzer just blast through the internet? No, 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 no.
Tell that old man, get out of my life!
but I'm shellfish. Fast
It's
and...
fast.
For fuck sake.
It's about time.
That's me. Oh my god. Yes.
Yep! So true!
Oh.
I'm a bus enough.
And you're on a bus thing. Oh
Oh
my god.
my god.
Oh, I got the same
About to
picture.
fight.
God.
I'm about to fight Neon's
Fuck's sake.
Neon's computer is the meme of the stream. Oreos.
That's Kyzer sitting in his chair.
Hey! Alright, should I do the Robin Williams golfing joke?
Yeah, do you want to do it now while I'm getting things set up?
Alright, sure. And you realize how drunk a Scotsman can get, they can wear a skirt and not care. And how they can invent a sport like golf. Here's my idea for a fucking sport. I knock a ball and it goes in a gopher hole. Oh, you mean like pool? Fuck off, pool! Not with a straight stick, but a little fucked up stick. I'll whack a ball and it goes in a gopher hole.
So like croquet.
Fuck croquet! I put the ball hundreds of yards away! That's a great thing, you know?
Oh my
Oh, you
goodness.
mean like, oh, you mean like a bowling ring? Fuck no! Not straight, like I put shit in the way! You know, like trees and bushes and high grass! So you can lose your fucking ball and go whacking away with a fucking tire iron! Whacking away, and each time you feel like you're gonna have a stroke! Oh fuck! That's what we'll call it! A stroke, because every time you miss, you feel like you're gonna fucking die! Oh man, this is great. Oh fuck, this is brilliant! Right, so right near the end, I put a flat piece, a little flag to give you fucking hope. But then I put a pool and a sand patch to fuck with you more again! Ah, you'll be trashing your ass! Jerking away in the sand! And there you have it! There you have a sport! The manly sport of golf, where you can dress like a pimp but no one will care. Where you can wear clothing and even a blind gay man would go, oh dear Christ. This is not Forever 21 clearance section, what the fuck are you on?
Oh god.
And it's such an
R.I.P.
exhilarating
Robin
sport,
Williams.
you whack the ball, get in the cart. Whack the ball, get in the cart. And the commentary is amazing, like, they are now the 5th on the 13th.
Ali Barfield. Oh my.
I want the guy who does Mexican football to do commentary on this. Just one time, just to really scare them. Oh, is it it? Oh! Aye! Just see those old guys go, oh dear Christ! I thought they were still cleaning the gardens, now they're playing, oh fuck!
Jesus Christ. Did you just like write all that down on your arm or something?
No, I have it memorized!
Oh my god.
How to enter a room in style.
Jesus.
I remember earlier when someone asked what
Our favorite.
what vine, the vine that we see ourselves as, or something like that. Can't remember. It was long. I finally figured out mine.
Alright, what's yours?
Have you guys ever seen that one where the guy's like on the branch bouncing, doing hing ha?
Squash banana.
And it snaps. Yes.
That is
Yeah,
me.
I know that one.
That is me in a nutshell.
Mine is the, how to give your father a friendly wake-up call. And then the
I like when they all start getting pissed at him. God damn it! It's so
I love the one where his wife fucking sacks him in the dick.
Yeah.
Afterwards, he's like, oh, fucking my dick!
Wait. Oh wait. I
Still haven't
found
found my
berries.
berries. What? I found these.
No, not my berries.
That's Eileen's favorite. And the Straw Hat Nerd is my she's like my best friend. She loves that vine.
That's Straw Hat Nerd. I saw you hanging out with Neon the other day. Paula, it's not what you think. I won't.
No. We have to do this right.
Oh.
Say the line again and be as sassy as you can be.
Oh god, you know I can't do this.
Come on, do it!
Okay.
That-
I saw you hanging out with Neon the other day.
But Paula, it's not what you think!
I won't hesitate, bitch. I can't do it.
Oh my god. Oh, beautiful. me in the background just like, excuse me. What?
Pirates and Ron Weasley?
No, it's supposed to be Pappy Tom.
God damn it!
No, Neon's computer. Are you Neon? Okay. This is so emotional. Neon gets a better voice computer.
That's my favorite. It is true, I just bought this piece of crap. God.
Neon's computer. This computer just won't shut up. Wow,
I'm
it
fucking
downloads
leaving.
all of my things.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving, bye! Hey! Paula!
Who should I be the most
You
proud
just can't escape it,
find out.
Neon. Your
No.
computer is loud as shit.
Running gags, man. Damn it! Sorry.
Alright, there's too much to see.
Oh,
Kyzer
fuck.
Oh my god!
Get that shit out of here!
Well, hi there, Neon. How you doing?
No. Get out of here.
Damn. Well, I mean, it fits. Get that weed, son.
Don't touch my weed!
weed.
You touching my spaghetti!
Don't touch the time. How am I supposed to know this? I gave Cave Johnson lemons.
No, no shipping us, goddamn.
Not as beautiful as Neon's wheezing computer.
God! Ah! Aw, that compliment, you redeemed yourself, whoever wrote that.
Pineapple pizza versus wheezing computers. Neon.
I hate you guys so much! Oh, I'm gonna die!
Oh my god, that's beautiful. That's mine. I'm picking that. Oh shit.
Oh my god, if I get one more computer thing, I'ma lose it.
Neon's mental breakdown. Even my computer's better than this slow traffic. Oh my god.
God!
Neon, a new computer. Fucking product replacement.
Literally! Not sponsored by any computer brand. Oh
One
my...
more computer thing.
I swear.
Brock Lesnar is overrated. What?
What?
Instead of wheezing computer.
My computer's
oh my God,
wheezing
that's
right
happy
now.
as Fuck, insert Neon's wheezing.
Okay, I'm not fucking done. They're all have to do with my...
Bob the builder can't fix this. Let's stop Neon's computer from wheezing and get a worse computer for her. Oh my god, that's horrible.
I hate all of you so much. Like, I'm working that long. Oh my god!
Oh, Neon, you're gonna hate me for what I wrote.
No!
Painting my house to represent my sadness at Neon's.
Oh my god! We need like a Wheeze and Neon's computer counter. God. I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done.
This traffic is...
I'm not streaming anymore. Oh my god. Literally 80% is my computer memes. God. Damn it.
Someone wants to draw your computer. I feel like if they do, they should make it the cartooniest, like...
It's just like flipping me off.
Yeah.
Oh my...
It's the world's most pissed off computer.
Yeah.
Like, it's the grumpiest fucking computer in existence, because it has to be your computer.
Yeah, of course. It's like all the shit that you put on me, all the porn that you draw, what the hell? Why do you do this?
Oh my god.
I don't draw porn, I swear.
Yes! Mine got the best votes!
I don't look at your Tumblr notifications.
I have a bad feeling about this. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna check my notifications on Tumblr. Let's see.
I want to see this shit.
Oh god.
Oh, okay. Animax's blog tagged me in something. When you drink the wrong milk. Oh, I gotta reblog this.
Oh
Wait,
no.
Kyzer,
This
you
is
got a
beautiful.
question.
I do. Okay. Where is it?
In the chat.
Oh god, I can't find it.
So we should all draw Neon's computer. No! Get it!
Do it.
Everybody
draw her computer.
No! Someone put a computer emoji in the chat. God damn it.
God.
Close.
Flips table with computer.
I bet Neon's
Let's
computer's
seal.
like, fuck this, I'm done with Wheezing. It just dies.
I, Phil Swift, here for Flex Seal.
Oh,
The
You
super
make me
strong
angry,
waterproof
Phil.
ape.
You make me angry, Phil.
You couldn't just use one of these, Phil. Don't need Flex Seal. Look at its curvature. The easy way to have a bowl without making one out of a colander.
I love John Tron.
I love, oh my god. My favorite thing, oh my god, I didn't tell you guys, but I want to do this so bad. There's this, I need to find it, but it's, remember his bird Jacques?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Jacques.
There was like my favorite scene where he was like, hey Jacques, I keep you naked on purpose. And then Jacques just shoots him. And I just imagine like, Joey Drew or something like just being like, hey Bendy, I keep you naked on purpose because he doesn't wear any clothes. And he's like, hey,
No,
you weirdo.
Like Bendy's
I
like,
will draw that.
Joey, you couldn't finish a cheese Danish. Hey Bendy, I keep you naked on purpose.
He just fucking whips ink at him. I love that so much.
Yes.
Yep, my computer is now named Mr. Wheezy from Cuphead. Mr. Wheezy. Yep.
Hearing Wheezy just reminds me of the one thing that Hawker did, oh, Mr. Dice! Mr. King Dice!
Oh,
please
yes.
wait!
No.
I love it.
I can't think of
love that.
Hawker the same way after saying, oh, by golly gee whiz, it's a penis! That's-
This comment sounds like an infomercial. Introducing Mr. Wheezy, the computer that wheezes all the time.
Oh my god, hold on. Introducing Mr. Wheezy, the computer that wheezes all the time!
Also, Neon X Neon computer, not safe for why you always reject me computer.
Why?
Computer senpai! Why won't you work?
And it's just long wheezing in response. Oh my god.
The nerd. Yes, I love your quote.
Now I'm wheezing like Neon's
Oh,
PC.
Lord.
Okay, that's it. That's the last one. Alright. I think it's a good place to end it. If everyone wants to get out their fucking computer wheezing comments.
Oh my god.
My fan sounds like Neon's PC. God damn it. God. God.
Pretty much.
Who wants to hear King Dice say it?
Oh, okay. Fuck your chicken strips! Fuck your chicken strips!
Oh my god. His head just flies off because he's so intense about it.
He is seriously
Yeah.
roasted.
Oh my god, rip Paula.
Rip dong breathing child.
No! Inhale my dong, you enragement child.
Wait, I have to do it right. Inhale my dong, enragement child.
Oh, I missed that playthrough so much. Oh, I'm so flustered from the stupid computer memes, but also just like, it's good. I'm
You're just
smiling.
like,
It's doing it right now. Wait, I want to see if I can put the microphone under the computer. Hold on.
we
Wait
should
for
have
it.
a video with Neon's wheezing computer. Actually, you know what? No. Better idea. We should have a video of just a compilation of all of the times people brought up Neon's wheezing computer.
And
like,
how-
just like a compilation.
And how many times I wheezed after that. Can you guys hear that?
No.
No.
Damn it. Okay, well it's really fucking loud. But yeah, it's wheezing. It's just going ree. Anyway.
Oh my god. Meep, do your stuff! You're awesome at that!
Oh god, I love.
I refuse.
Yes.
I refuse to make a computer joke. Neon will hurt me.
Anime. Oh god. Kai, read
Well,
it.
I mean, I don't think she'll be able to say much, given that the wheezing is so loud you can't really hear it anyway.
What was that? I can't hear you, Kyzer. Why don't you fly to Canada? And tell me that to my face!
Okay, let me just book the flight right now.
Come on here. Let's tussle. Let's wallop.
Wait, let me book a flight so I can videotape.
Yeah, break ball. They both just fly to Canada and just like fucking run towards. What did you say about my computer, Nani?
In regards to the other question, if you haven't seen the movie Shape of Water, I highly recommend you do to figure out the anatomy of Slender.
No.
That is all I will say on the subject.
Oh, I can't get that out of my... Now that's it. Slender's penis is in my head now. Didn't want that. It's in my head. Just alright. Computers and dick should be the name of the stream.
No. I got a better one. I got a better name for this.
I'm scared.
Digital wheezing dongs.
No! Oh god. Well,
Alright, let's end this stream in the best way possible.
Furry baby.
With Neon's computer wheezing.
okay. Right, we're good. Bye.